Hello everyone. Welcome to today's English listening practice. Today's story is called A Busy Morning Routine. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and try to understand every sentence. It's 7 o'clock in the morning. The alarm rings loudly. Sarah slowly opens her eyes. She feels sleepy, but she knows she has to get up. She turns off the alarm and sits on the bed. The room is bright and quiet. Sarah stretches her arms and smiles. It's a new day, she says to herself. She goes to the bathroom and washes her face. The cold water makes her feel fresh. She brushes her teeth and looks in the mirror. I can do everything I planned today, she whispers. Sarah goes to the kitchen to make breakfast. She makes a cup of coffee and some toast. The smell of coffee fills the room. She loves this moment every morning. While eating, she checks her phone. There are a few messages from her friends. She replies quickly and finishes her breakfast. Then, she chooses her clothes for work. She puts on a light blue shirt and black pants. Before leaving, she looks at the clock. Oh no, it's already 8:30, she says. Sarah grabs her bag and runs to the bus stop. The bus is coming, and she just makes it on time. She feels happy because she didn't miss it. Sitting on the bus, she looks outside the window. The sun is shining, and the city is waking up. People are walking fast. Cars are moving and shops are opening. Sarah smiles and says, "It's going to be a good day." Great job listening. Now, try to repeat the story or write it in your notebook. Remember, practice every day to improve your English. Thanks for listening, and see you in the next lesson.